In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the main photo on Facebook Marketplace. If you're selling something on Marketplace, your main photo is incredibly important because it's the first image people see when they scroll through listings. A clear and attractive first photo can help your item stand out and get more attention, so let's walk through exactly how to update it. To begin, open the Facebook app on your phone and sign in to your account if you haven't already. Once you're inside the app, look for the Marketplace icon and tap on it. This will take you to the Marketplace section where you can manage your buying and selling activity. Next, go to your Marketplace profile. From there, tap on your listing so you can see all the items you currently have posted. Find the listing you want to update and then open it. Make sure you select the correct item before making any changes, especially if you have multiple listings that look similar. Once you've opened the listing, tap Edit Listing. This is where you can make changes to the details of your item, including the photos. When you get to the photo section, the goal is to set the image you want as the first photo, since that first image becomes the main photo people see in Marketplace results. If your version of the app allows photo rearranging, press and hold the photo you want to feature, then drag it into the first position. This is usually the easiest way to change the main photo. Take a moment to confirm the order before moving on, because the first image in the row is the one that will appear as the primary listing photo. If you don't have the option to rearrange the photos, there's still a simple workaround. Delete the current first photo, then upload your preferred image first so it appears at the front of the photo lineup. This method can be helpful if the app doesn't support drag and drop reordering on your device. After you've placed the correct photo first, tap Save or Update to apply the changes. Wait a few seconds for Facebook to process the edit and then check the listing again to make sure the new main photo appears correctly. That's all it takes to change the main photo on a Facebook Marketplace listing. If you want the best results, choose a bright, sharp image that clearly shows the item and avoid cluttered backgrounds whenever possible. With a stronger main photo, your listing can look more professional and attract more buyers.